It's 2024. The possibilities are endless, and I'm about to unveil the 10 best niche ideas that don't require you to show your face or be on camera. Stick with me till the end, and you'll have the roadmap to launch your channel with confidence. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started on your path to YouTube stardom. First up, we have the fascinating world of AI news and stories. Since the launch of ChatGPT in November 2022, the AI niche has exploded. Channels like AI Revolution have ridden this wave, gaining over 70,000 subscribers. By creating videos on trending AI news, utilizing free stock footage, and incorporating AI voiceovers, you could be looking at over 1 million views and an estimated monthly earning of $4,500. Next on the list is the software tutorial niche. Take inspiration from channels like Brett and Tech, boasting over 1 million subs. By recording your screen using free tools like OBS Studio, you can create tutorials on popular software. Dive deep into specific tools like Canva or CapCut, focusing on common user issues. With an average of 1.5 million views, you could be making well over 5K per month. If you're into the spooky and mysterious, the scary stories niche might be for you. Channels like Mr. Nightmare, with over 6 million subscribers, curate dark video clips and add a gripping voiceover. Be creative in finding unique stories to avoid content repetition, and, if done right, you could scare up to $42,000 per month. Moving on to niche number 4, business stories. Magnates Media, a rapidly growing channel in this niche, with over 1 million subs, researches and delivers interesting stories about businesses or their owners. While this might not be the best fit for AI content due to the high competition, the potential rewards are significant. Over 5 million views monthly and earnings exceeding 20K in ad revenue alone. Now, let's talk about one of the most profitable niches, making money online. Channels like Cash Pro demonstrate ways to earn online using stock footage and screen recordings. While viewer skepticism might be a hurdle, the high CPM in this niche could translate to substantial earnings. Are you ready to cash in? Next on our list is a fascinating twist on making money online, doing it with AI. Channels like 10x Income focus on showing ways to make money using AI. To stand out, you'll need to show results and gain your audience's trust. The earnings potential here is enormous. Over 10K monthly from AD placement, affiliate income, and sponsorship. Number 7 takes us to personal finance. Practical Wisdom, with close to 1 million subscribers, mix stock footage with text overlays to teach people how to manage their finances. Education is the key here, and with engaging voiceovers, you could be looking at over 100K annually in ad revenue alone. Now, let's dive into the niche of investing. Free Investing, with over 1 million subs, creates videos using interviews and audio from investing gurus. While navigating copyright and fair use issues, channels in this niche can make well over 10K per month due to the high CPM. If you're financially savvy, this might be your niche. Niche number 9 brings us to the evergreen world of history. Alternate History Hub, with 2.2 million subs, uses characters and relevant stock footage to create engaging videos. With an average of 2 million views, you could be making over $10,000 every month. There's even a new channel called History Bypass, gaining popularity using AI-generated videos and voiceovers. That brings us to our final, number 10, on our list, the fitness niche. Body Hub, with over 1 million subscribers, proves that you can succeed in the world of fitness and bodybuilding without showing your face. Write compelling scripts, add voiceovers, compile stock clips, and you could be getting 2.4 million views monthly, earning over $10,000 per month. Ready to break a sweat? All right, that wraps up our list. If you're excited about these niche ideas, smash that like button and stay tuned for the second half, where we'll explore even more captivating YouTube channel niches that don't require you to show your face. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, and I'll catch you in the next part.